Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my savvy and you're watching, thank you for your support. So on today's topic, we are going to talk about Seesaw and Limpopo Boy. So Limpopo Boy was in a same event where Seesaw was in, and then he was passing by, and that's when Swiso greeted him, like you know how guys greet each other. But then the Popo boy ignored Swiso. So if you don't know Swiso, Swiso is from that podcast Chill G. It is called Piano Pulse. So where is where he has gained a lot of popularity. I don't know, maybe that's where I know him, but I just kind of feel like people know him more because now he's in that podcast of Maggi. So yeah, guys, this is embarrassing. Imagine it's happening in public. People are taking videos. So I don't even know. That was so embarrassing. And as for now he's in the public forum. Now people see him as an upcoming influencer. I don't know if I should say influencer or host, because yeah, that's kind of the things that he's doing. And yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.